My brothers and sisters, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name na Anthony, your ogbonge presenter for First Aid Immigrant Solution. In case if una never subscribe, una not forget to hit the subscribe button so that anytime where I see load any new video, you will be the first person to see the video for you. Anything where you take dey watch me. So make I tell us wetin we get for today. So my topic for today na be say, if you see police and e ask you your document, you forget to carry your document follow body, or you no wan bring am come out, wetin be the thing wey go happen at the end? Now I wan explain to us. Na be the thing wey we wan talk for today. So for anybody wey know say e no dey any EU wey dem dey call Schengen nation, na dem be 27 for number. So regardless of the color wey you dey, with color wey you of your skin, or anywhere you for come from, so you must carry your document follow body, whether na original or not original, whether na passport or your permit to stay. Any of them, you must carry one of them follow body for identification. Na make they stop us dey check whether the person dey regular or not. Then if you be tourist and you come visit Italy, they just do normal check. They ask you for your document. All you need to do na to show your passport to them with where the visa dey and where the stamp of entry dey, where they for do the police check for border for any of the Schengen nation. Na that one they want you see if you be tourist. But if you can't be any citizen of any other country, but you don't stay here for long, you don't get permit to stay, all you need to do, you carry your photocopy alongside with you, or any other resident or passport you still carry alongside with you for identification. So if you get all this document for identification, you no get any problem. But if police come ask you where your document, where documento, wetin be the things wey you know say the police dey talk, now I wan tell you so. If police dey ask for document and the things wey police wan know na valid resident permit, wey dem dey call permit of stay, or you get any receipt for renewal of your permit of stay, or you get passport, or you get any uniform stamp on your passport for your traveling document, or you still get wetin dem dey call declaration of presence in Italy for less than 3 months, or after the appropriate check wey dem dey do. Because if you get this declaration of presence in Italy with a visa from the police station stating the reason of your stay less than 3 months, so after this appropriate check has been done, and if you did not also belongs to any of the European Union wey I first talk, so for this regular checking wey police dey do, so you are entitled to present any of these documents wey I talk so, whether your passport, or you get permit of stay, or you also get wetin dem call the receipt or ricevuta wey you take put your permit of stay for renew of your permit, of your resident permit, or you also get any uniform stamp on your passport or other traveling document on the border police certifying your stay less than 3 months. If you still get that one, they'll still regard that as a valid permit of stay. If you not still get that one, or you still get declaration of presence in Italy where I first talk just now, with a visa from the police station for the reason of your stay less than 3 months, after you don't show all these things, any of them is valid for document wey you know say that they accept from you. But if you don't get any of this, you not carry them along with you, police come ask you, you not get anything to show, wetin be the things wey you go face? Now I wan tell us. So because of say, according to the penalty law wey dey Italy for codice penale wey dem dey talk for Article 651, wey tok say if anyone is being asked by a public official for this exercise of normal function, so and you refuse to indicate on your personal identity or to state or any personal quality, the person can be arrested for 1 month up to a year, or e go pay a fine from €206 to €2,000. So you know say the money big well well. So failure to present your passport or any other document for identification for a resident permit mentioned above wey I first talk so the person can face up to a year imprisonment, or e go pay €2,000 for the things wey you know say e just fit say e no dey important. I wan make I use this one to tell us say this document wey dem dey carry alongside with you, make you no lost the original, you fit carry photocopy follow body so that you get identification follow body, because of say we wey no dey carry document follow body, so if dem control us under normal control, the person fit face, or I fit face these charges wey affect us, so a year up to about €2,000 for fine wey dem take charge anybody wey dem found guilty of this particular sin wey I just still talk so. Then concerning our brothers wey you know say you still dey waka for road, you dey sell for street, you no get wey dem dey call VAT or partita IVA, the police can also entitled to give you a fine up to about €5,000 for this siphoning the economy wey you no dey pay tax for the country wey you dey. So in case if police see you or any agent of security see you, they give you fine because of say you dey do shoroti or you dey sell for street. Not say that police wicked because of say I be black, or because of say I be this, I be that. Law talk say if you no dey pay tax for that country where you dey, you no register wetin you dey do, because of say shoroti na begging, and most of us know say shoroti na begging. So if you dey do am, make sure say you dey very very careful, because dem fit give you fine up to about €5,000 multa. Na im make am say I dey use this opportunity, make I still dey tell my viewers say make dem try, make dem still look for things wey dem do wey dem fit take get work, and at the end of the day, if dem no still get work, make sure say dem still later still ask government make dem still look for work for dem, like Central Per Impiego dey, or other agency wey dem for still dey find work still dey, or some school wey you fit still go, wey you fit still learn skill work, wey you fit still start to dey do something. Because of say document dey very important. If you no get document, you no fit go school. So na I know say na make some people still dey do this shoroti. Na make me say may I still use this law wey e still carry hold shoroticians. Now I say make I first come drop am for this video. And some of us wey no still dey like to bring document alongside with us, or we no dey like to show police the document, because if you no show police, or lack of showing passport or any other resident permit to the security agent, so the person is also can be fined, or it can be sanctioned up to about a year imprisonment, or you go pay up to €2,000. So those things dey very very important, because law talk say, e say if you know say you no carry document follow body, the police catch you, for further verification, police fit carry you go their office. You go do this fingerprint, wey you go take know whether na you, or you get document or not. So if you no get document, so dem fit charge you, or dem fit give you follow the via wey dem dey call this you are advised to leave the country document. So if they give you such document, so they give you time wey you take leave that particular country. So regardless of any reason wey you take dey waka for road, and if police stop you, make sure say you also collaborate, make you give them document, because if you give them document and they see say that dey the document, they can also carry you go their police station for photo dactyloscopic, wey dem dey call fingerprint. So those things wey they will do so now for further verification. So now I say make I come tell my viewers, for all these things wey e dey law, because this law wey I dey talk so not be me just carry your right hand, because e dey Italian law. Because all this Italian law wey I dey talk so, many of us no know, na make us dey bring am come. So for Codice Penale, for Article 651, they say if you not show police or you resist the police because of say you no wan bring the document come out, they fit give you fine from 206, or you go say 1 month imprisonment. Or if you see by yourself, still check this Article 4 for comma 2 for this TUCS. E still talk about concerning Article 294 under the relative regulamental law. They still talk about say anybody wey still resist, wey not like to show their document to the police fit arrest am, put am for prison for a year, or you go pay 2,000 euro. So if you want to check other Article 6 for Testo Unico for Immigrazione, you fit still check am. So everything wey I dey talk so is still there. So more and not forget to subscribe to my First Aid Immigrant Solution, so that anytime wey I still come give us the latest informate wey still dey, because this one is sour well. I know say many people go ask me questions. So if you know say you want to ask question, you just drop your comment below this video, so that anytime wey I take read the comment, I'll still reply you according to wetin the law talk. So more and not forget, I still remain your humble presenter, Anthony, your First Aid Immigrant Solution. Bye.